Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're a subscriber, thanks for subscribing and coming back and checking out my videos. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe and hit that notification button so you know when I upload new videos. So it's that time of month again. Anyway, a fun time of the month. So I'm going to reveal what I got in my Ipsy bag and my Boxycharm box. And you know how we do, we're just gonna jump right in. So here's the bag. So it's got a cute little like masquerade mask, and it just has like a flower design in it. I don't know, it's cute. So as you can see, I got sheet masks. So I got the cucumber soothing and moisturizing mask, and then I got a lavender wrinkle care and lifting mask. So, I got working on them wrinkles. Okay, so let's jump on in. And this says, who said nights were for sleep? Ipsy After Dark. So, that's the card. And then I got a Morphe blush in the color Spirits. Why? I can never open packaging. Like, I don't know if it's because I got like chubby fingers, but like I cannot, like neither one of the little flaps will come out. What the heck? Okay. Any of you who have this problem? Oh geez. Well, good thing we throw the box away. Here it is. Super pretty color. Let's see. There's that. It's a pretty color. Nice pinkish, mauvey color. So pretty. And then, oh yes, I got excited and I was opening the package. So I got a mascara by Glamour Dolls, but I didn't realize that everything, like the ingredients and whatnot, were written on the packaging. So when I ripped it off, I was like, oh, where'd the go? So yes, just beware. Because I was just reading like what was in it and to see, and they are cruelty free. I will say, this is very, I don't know if I want to say wonky. Like you can see that the container is curved. I think this retails for like $4.99, but it's super flimsy. But we'll give it a try. It's got the nice plastic bristles there. Usually good for getting those bottom lashes. So we'll definitely try that. And then, ooh, I do. I was excited about this brush. It's super pretty. I will say I'm a bit, I don't know. I was like, what is SLMISS? I was like, I don't know how to say that. And then I was like, wait a minute, let's look this up. So I looked it up, and I think it's Stephanie Lewis. She's some beauty guru with the initials SL, so I hope the last name is Lewis. And she's got a line of brushes, Miss Glam. So it's whatever her name is, Stephanie L. She's known as Miss Glam makeup guru, and she has this line of makeup brushes, and they're super pretty, but they're hella expensive. Like I looked, and for like some of her sets, I want to say they're in like the hundreds. In the hundos. Yeah, which I mean, if I not getting on her, do her thing, do her whatever, that's fine. I didn't like look and break down the price. I wasn't like, oh, you get 10 brushes and if they're $100 or $10 each brush. I didn't do all that. I just saw some numbers flashing and I was like, whoa. So anyway, okay, so I got this incredible You Glow Girl. It's like an iridescent jelly highlighter. It's like, oh, it's super goopy, like jelly. Here it is. if the camera's gonna pick it up. There you go. Can you see that? But it's like, I don't know. It's pretty. It doesn't smell bad. If I was gonna have a smell, it reminds me of like that, oh, what is it? Almost like that slimy stuff you play with when you're a kid. Just because of the consistency. But like, as you can see, I mean, it's pretty. It's a pretty color. I don't know if it's gonna be like super sticky on the face, but anyway, those are the products for the Ipsy bag. And then moving on to the Boxycharm. So the first thing is this Dermovia Lace Appeal with compression technology, black bamboo charcoal peel off mask, compression for deep exfoliation, intense exfoliating facial mask with compression lace support, peel intensity level medium. You get 2 masks and a 20 milliliter tube. So here it is. And I guess it says compression, luxurious stretch lace compresses for greater adhesion resulting in intensive deep skin detoxification. Not gonna lie, I feel like I've seen, like I didn't watch them because I didn't want to like spoil my box before I got it. But I see some of like the thumbnails on the YouTube videos and people are like, and like pulling this off their face. I don't know if that's just for dramatic effect or not. So anyway, you apply an even layer to peel paste. Wait a minute. Apply an even layer of peel paste to targeted areas. Avoid eye area, eyebrows, hairline, and lips. I'm assuming if you put it on there, you're not gonna have any hair in those areas. So line up holes with eyes, nose, and mouth. Press lace mask to areas where peel paste is applied. I don't know. That sounds kind of nice, just to like get everything out. It says bamboo charcoal detoxifies, aloe vera purifies, and chamomile soothes. It's probably because you're gonna rip half your face off. So, I'm just kidding. I kid. I was excited about this. So you get a full size of the superhero It Cosmetics mascara. So that was exciting. Nice large tube. And I like the It Cosmetics. And it's just your brush, your basic. Is that brushes? Yeah, it's not like the rubber bristles. So that was nice. Oh, poop. Hold on, people. Let me back it up. So let's back it up. So that mask retails for $30. So that right there, I mean, the box is $21 a month. You get a $30 mask. This mascara goes for $24. So even that right there, you have the price of the box. Next, I have a Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm by Pharmacy, made exclusively for Boxycharm. Which is interesting, is if they made it just for Boxycharm, how does it have a retail price? I don't know. Let's see here. So it's like this cream here. So a nourishing facial cleansing balm that melts away makeup and pollution residue. Even the boldest eye makeup and long wear foundation is easily removed, leaving skin hydrated and silky smooth. Gently massage onto dry skin for eye makeup removal. Apply to closed eyes. Rinse with warm water or wipe off with damp washcloth. Made in Korea. So anyway, that was $22. So that would be the price of the box. Oh yes. Next, we have a Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. And this is the color Lovesick. So it's a pretty like mauve-ish, purplish color. No pug. Go on. No. You're always sneaking in here. Sorry if the pug gets loud. She starts snorting and carrying on. Okay, anyway. So here is That was an awful swatch. Hold on. Here we go. So it's got a bit of it's like a pink, but I feel like it has like a purple tinge to it. Yes. And that retails for $20. And then, last but not least, you get a pure, I don't know why they're called Pure Cosmetics, but it's a pure Midnight Masquerade face palette. Here's the packaging on the actual palette. So there it is without the, that's better. So you get the eye shadows and then you get the 4 face products. So I will insert swatches of that here. Okay, so you get the 4 shimmery face powders and 6 buttery eyeshadows that complement all skin tones and eye colors. So it looks like you got the blush, and then, you know, the lighter color could probably be a highlighter. Yeah, and then you got the 4 eye colors. So, you know, not a bad box this month. Oh, wait a minute. That retails for $38. So you figure 20, 30, that's 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, $130 roughly, approximately, give or take a few bucks because I rounded up. So $130 for that box, and again, it's $21 a month. And then here you get a 10% off coupon for the IT Cosmetics. Yeah, your next purchase, what's the fine print? Valid on orders of $30 or more from itcosmetics.com. So that's always nice. I like coupons. I do. So that's the box. I enjoy that box, and I don't know. I hope that this video inspires you or helps you decide if you want to purchase one of these. If you've been thinking about getting the Ipsy or the Boxycharm box, I hope that this helps you decide if you want to do that or not. I do know, I've had some people tell me like, Ipsy's not that good this month. You know, there are some months where you're kind of like, and I felt like I had gone through that, but I had gone back on and redid, like my profile or whatever for what makeup I would want to get. And then I review it every month. So if there's something that I'm like, you know, I review it so they know. And it seems to me that they're putting more products in that are catered toward what I said I like or what I want to see. And even like the color schemes, do I like more neutrals or this, that, or the other? And it seems like more and more of my bags lately are going towards that. So if you do get Ipsy and you're kind of like, meh, and you feel like it's just not doing it for you, get on there and redo your stuff and make sure that you have what you want on there so they know. But otherwise, hope you enjoy this video. Yeah, and enjoy the rest of the day or evening or whenever you're watching this. Bye.